My mind is officially blown. I had to do a quick follow-up video to a video I dropped here a few months back about a Twitter growth hack. And this really is for anyone that's already below 1,000 followers on Twitter. If that's not you, keep scrolling, go do your thing. But I had shared how I was leveraging Chat GPT to help with that. In my humble opinion, the number one thing you can do for someone below 1,000 followers on Twitter is to respond to influencers, respond to people already in your niche, respond to their tweets versus going out trying to be original, trying to do your own thing. If you don't have a following, it is very hard to gain traction that way. And ChatGPT drastically helps with that. I had it set up months ago to every time I supplied a tweet, it would give me 4 or 5 responses based off the criteria I gave it. But now with the ChatGPT new update about creating your own GPTs, this just took it to a whole different level. I just wrapped up creating my first one, all about Twitter growth, all about leveraging what I taught before, except now it can happen behind the scenes at a much higher level. So as an example, now it is trained up every time I supply it with a tweet, usually from an influencer that I have a similar, my ideal client, my ideal prospect, my audience is also an audience of theirs. I supply a tweet, it is going to automatically give me 5 responses. One in the voice of Grant Cardone without using 10x, sorry Grant. Another in the voice of Tony Robbins, who I absolutely love. Another in an influencer or author's voice that my new GPT bot will pick on its own, which is so freaking cool. And then it's also going to supply one that is very witty yet intellectual. And then the last one, the fifth one, is going to be offering a differing opinion, which I'm really excited about. And so I've been testing it all morning. It has been fire. Literally, I can supply a tweet, I get 5 responses in seconds. This is going to be a killer growth strategy. If you see value in this and you want to try implementing it, I'm cool with sharing a link to this GPT so you can steal it. Just let me know in the comments. Hope you have a great day. Talk soon.